Hi, my name is Steyn Rossouw. Get ready for a transformative journey with the ultimate breakthrough experience, where we'll not only unleash your personal power, but also elevate your team to unprecedented levels of success. This is not just an event. This is an immersive plunge into the collective potential of your team. It's about unlocking the dormant power of each team member and creating a cohesive force and achieving monumental growth together.
I want. I know what I want. That's what I want. I get what I want. I get what I want. Because I'm a gladiator. Because I'm a gladiator.
Are you ready to unleash personal and collective excellence? Join me at the Ultimate Breakthrough 2024, where we'll forge a path of individual and team empowerment. This is your opportunity to elevate not just yourself, but your entire team to greatness. Secure your team spot right now, and let's make 2024 the year your business becomes an unstoppable force. We eagerly await your team's presence at the Ultimate Breakthrough 2024. Reach out to us today and let's ignite excellence together.